Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Sculpted, muscular, aggressive. This amazing luxury four-door coupe is without a doubt a treat for the eyes. The exquisite interior and powerful engine please the rest of your senses. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Streaming audio, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo i6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, external memory control, dual zone climate control, four-corner auto leveling suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.